Hi friends, it's Miss Dina. Today, time for Mighty Minutes. And today, we're going to give compliments. Come on, find out what a compliment is. Hi friends, it's Miss Dina. You're used to seeing me sit down, but today we're going to use the whiteboard. And it's time for Mighty Minutes. And we are doing a Mighty Minutes called Rolling Compliments. And compliments are something that the world needs today. People need compliments. It makes them feel good. It makes you feel good when you give a compliment. And it's just good for both people. So first of all, what is a compliment? When you compliment someone, you say something nice about that person. So first of all, let's brainstorm some compliments, all right? So you might say, I like your smile. Okay? Or you might say, I like your hair, your shirt, your shoes, any of those times. So you can say, I like, and then say something that you like. Okay? You could say, I like the way you sing. Okay? You could say, I like the way you sing. Or maybe, I like the way you huddle. Or I like the way you color. Or I like the way you are building those blocks. Or I like the way you're drawing a picture. So there's lots of things you can, I like your blank, I like the way you blank. You could say, you are good at listening. Everybody likes to hear they are good at something. So you could say you are good at and whatever they're good at. Maybe it's running. Maybe they are jumping, like they're really good jumpers. So you can say you are good at jumping or anything that they're good at. Okay? Let's see. So those are some examples of compliments. Now, sit down here. So the object is to get your kids to start making compliments. And this activity is meant for a group, but it can be done at home with your family. It's a great idea. All you need is a little ball or something that you can pass, maybe a stuffed animal, or we had a talking spoon. We just had a wooden spoon that when the person had it, it was their turn to talk. So you can do that. So the gist is someone's going to start. They're going to say, you know, Ms. Dina, you are really good at doing videos. Okay? So then whoever said it is going to pass that to the person they said it about. They're going to choose someone else to say a compliment about and pass the spoon to them. And you're just going to keep going around until everybody has gotten a compliment and gotten a chance to give a compliment. So it's a lot of fun. And it's a great way to teach your kids how to be kind to one another, and get them involved. And if you're using the ball, then you're working on some gross motor skills as well with that catching and throwing or rolling. So they're doing that. You also want to teach your children when they get a compliment to say thank you, or that was nice of you to say, or, I appreciate that, something like that. Responding to the compliment and letting the person know that you've heard it and you appreciated their kindness. Okay? I hope that you enjoyed this video.